Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer all WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android. If you have switched to a new phone or want to transfer your WhatsApp messages from one phone to another, this video will help you. We will use WhatsMover for this. With this software, you can transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. The link is available in the video description. After installation, launch the software. You will see the interface like this. First method is to transfer WhatsApp messages from phone to phone, and the second method is take backup WhatsApp messages to computer. Once you have backed up, you can either restore to iOS device or in Android device. Let's start with the first method. Select transfer WhatsApp between devices. Connect both of your phones to the PC. It will transfer from source phone to destination. Once make sure the position of source and destination are correct. If not, click switch to change the position, then click on transfer. You will be prompted to confirm the type of your WhatsApp, either WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp business. Choose your type and the transfer process will start. Now wait until WhatsApp transfer completes. If there is a large amount of WhatsApp data on your phone, it will take some time to complete the process. Ensure the cables are connected during WhatsApp transfer. In a while, the transfer will be complete. Now the process has completed successfully. Second method is to take backup WhatsApp messages from phone to PC and then restore. Select backup WhatsApp on devices. Connect your phone to the PC to start the backup WhatsApp messages from phone to PC and click backup. Keep your phone connected to the PC during WhatsApp backup. Wait until the backup is complete and you can find all the process is marked 100%. Once you have backed up your WhatsApp data to PC, you can restore WhatsApp backup to your Android or iPhone. Click restore or export WhatsApp backup. Choose the backup file, connect your phone to the PC, then select the restore to device. Click on next and then restore. Here it may take few minutes. After each restoring process is complete, you can find all WhatsApp backup are restored to your new phone. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.